Good afternoon. I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Good afternoon, sir. My full name is Jaspreet Singh. You can call me with my first name, Jaspreet.
Jaspreet. Okay, welcome, Jaspreet. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, sir. Here is my passport.
Just a minute. Let me note it down. Thank you. So, let's begin your test, right?
Okay, sir.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, sir. I have a pet, and it's in a German breed dog, and I got it from one of my cousin who do a business of animal husbandry.
Okay. Do you like animals?
Yes, I really like animals because from my childhood I got an early exposure towards the pet animals because many of my family members were into the business of animal husbandry where they rear different kinds of animals.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog because as I already tell you that I got an exposure, so I develop an affection towards dog because they are very loyal and very cute.
Okay, what is the popular pet to have in your country?
In my country, there variations are there in people's opinion. Many people loves to have dog as their pet animals, whereas some people prefer cats, and some financially oriented people love to rear animals such as cows and buffaloes to do the dairy farming.
Okay, did you have a pet as a child?
Yes, as I already tell you that we were into the business of animal husbandry. So yes, from my childhood I was having lots of pet animals with me, and mostly of them are dogs, and sometimes they were cats also.
Okay, let's move to another topic.
Okay, sir.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I really like sports because I'm a sports person and I professionally play cricket for my district also.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is cricket because I played it professionally and on district basis.
Do you often watch sports on TV?
Yes, I often watch sports on TV. I mostly love to watch cricket, but sometimes I also opt for wrestling because I'm a great fan of wrestling.
Did you play sports as a child?
Yes, as I already tell you that I played cricket professionally, so yes, I played many sports when I was child, and some of the sports that I played is cricket, football, and I also took part in the karate competitions too.
What is the most popular sports in your country?
The most popular sports in my country is cricket because most of the people who lives in India aims that their child should represent their country as a cricketer. So I think cricket is the most played game in India.
How do most people in your country keep fit?
In variations are there. Some people prefer to join the fitness classes, whereas some loves to do cardio exercises, whereas some people prefer yoga and some dancing activities to keep themselves fit.
Okay, that's nice. This time for your cue card.
Okay, sir.
And your question card is, describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. There are some questions like when it was, where you saw it, what you saw, and explain why you think it was interesting.
Okay, sir.
So just a minute. This is your cue card and paper. You can use it.
Okay, sir.
You can take this pen. And you have 1 minute. Your time starts now. Your time's up. Start playing.
Okay. So there are numerous number of social media platforms present nowadays, and I also use some kinds of social media platform to connect with my friends and sometimes to earn money from it because I was bit into the video blogging nowadays. So recently I saw a greater advertisement of a music competition late in the January 2020. So it was an advertisement about a music competition organized by the international community named as the Black Creepers. So it was a music production competition where candidates will apply and they have to make music for the people and the singers will perform on that music. So I was into the music production part also, and I was working with one of my friend named as Raman. So he's a good music producer, and we both worked on several projects, but we never got the recognition for our work. So we decided to participate in this competition. So we participated because it is free of cost, and we went to Delhi to attend the competition. There we saw the numerous international artists who came there to judge and to perform on the music beats that will be created there. So the competition was divided into 3 parts, and the first part includes the bulk of competitors who will compete with each others, and the one who will and top 10s who will make the good beats will be selected. In the round 2, the people have to perform on their own beats, and so that in that competition we need one singer, and we approached one singer who was our friend only, and he also worked with us in our earlier project. So his name was Raman only. They both have sharing the same name. So he performed, and we got a chance to represent our beats in the finals. So in the final round we got a chance to share on a screen with an international artist. So we made a beat for his song, and he performed on it, and luckily we won that competition, and we got some benefits from it. We got a prize money ranging from 10 lakh, and we also got a chance to get featured in that artist video. So it was a quite interesting experience for us because we got the recognition for our work, and we also got a chance to be with an international artist.
That's nice. Can I take that back, please?
Yes.
Let me ask you some more questions.
Okay, sir.
Why do people like to use social media?
People like to use social media because they get an exposure and a better medium to connect with the other peoples and their friend also. And even though nowadays social media platforms also provide the financial aids, so if a person is a good creator and he can sell something on social media that will people love to watch, then they also get financially paid.
Okay, how often do you use social media?
I often use social media every day because I use it to post my video bloggings there and also to connect with my friends. So I use it on daily basis.
Okay, what kind of things are popular on social media?
There are numerous things that are famous on social media. I think the top is ranged from the video blogging because video blogging is the most popular things right now. Because more and more influencers are coming and they are working on their video creations, and in addition to it, entrepreneurial journeys, motivational aspects are also famous on the social media.
Okay, what are the advantages of using social media?
There are numerous advantages. We get a better medium to connect with our friends, and as I already tell you that we also get a chance to earn some aid from it, and we can utilize the social media to build our brand image, and we can use that to get better opportunities in the future for financial as well as for self growth.
Okay, can you see some disadvantages of using social media?
I think there are not a lot of disadvantages of using social media, but there are some certain points. Firstly is the privacy. If you are using social media, so you cannot maintain your privacy because it will openly assess your locations and will tell the people that where you live and what you do. And the second is that nowadays teenagers also using social media, so they are better. So there are always chances that they will get addicted to it usage.
Do you think the government should ban some social apps?
No, I don't think that government should ban social media platforms because it anonymously allows people to share their viewpoints. So if government will ban these social media platforms, so the government will develop a monopoly, as they can easily control the TV platforms, but they cannot control the social media platforms. So there are some benefits that we get and some autonomy to stand against the government by the usage of social media.
Okay, last question for today, and that is, what do you think about making friends on social networking sites?
I think it's a great feature that we get an exposure to make friends, people from different continents, because it allows us to gain knowledge about the different cultures, different aspects, different technological innovation that are being held on the different parts of the world.
This is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.